3 important gifts that I will raffle within new followers when I will reach 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Very important gift. Let's talk about them in just one second. Good guys, I decided to increase the possibility to have followers. Of course, I don't want you to be subscribed to my channel because there is a raffle. But what I'm trying to get here is a real community, an international community. As you know, I do videos in Italian and in English. Recently, the satisfaction is more towards the Italian videos because my Italian is probably better than my English. But I will try to give you more and more content in English. I'm trying to do the videos in English when it's really worth, and nobody else did that video. So expect less videos in English, but of good quality and more like unique content from me in English, not the same things that everybody do. Anyway, I have 3 gifts for you. I will share them with you when I will reach 1000 subscribers on YouTube. They will be just raffle. No, there will be a raffle online, and I will announce them 2 or 3 days after my 1000 subscriber reach. So the only point is being a follower of my channel. Very easy. Second one will be in that day I will release this video. The comments will be to be approved. I mean, I will need to approve all the comments on that specific video. Why? Because you will write me your email as a comment on that video. So you have to follow the channel also to see that video and to write your email in the comments. I will contact you. Another requirement would be coming with me in a small talk. Okay, I will call you by Zoom or whatever, and we just meet together, and then I will ship you, or most probably I will ship you the gift before, and then when you receive it, we'll do a video talking about the shipment worldwide. Would be My Care by UPS. So this is the first, the lowest value, let's say, gift is AceDen SGM 990 Plus I. It's a shotgun microphone. Legally, I have to open all of them, so I just open a little bit, guys. It will be open box, but I'm doing it in front of you. So this is a shotgun mic that works fine with your camera and works fine also with your phone if it has jack, or you can use the adapter, of course. It's a very good microphone. Search for a review of it, and it's a very nice microphone. Anyway, guys, this was the lowest value. It's around $100 probably, something like this. Yeah, but now we go to the big ones, and we go to a product of around $400. And this is the Atomos Zaro Connect. This, for who doesn't know it, is a monitor that shares the same panel with the Ninja V, so the super famous Ninja V Plus. The difference between this and the Ninja is the recording is not the proper main purpose of this monitor, because the recording is on an SD card, but it can do it in several modes, not perfect and super high resolution like a Ninja V, but can do it. But the most important thing is that this monitor is open for streaming on many platforms, almost all the platforms. So you can, if you are a streamer, you want to stream your camera via this monitor, you can do it. But there is more. This monitor is the most easy for accessing the workflow on Frame.io. If you don't know what it is, go and check it. It's a workflow that allows you to upload whatever you are shooting on your camera immediately in a format of, let's call it proxy, directly to Frame.io, so that your clients or the people from montage or color can start working immediately on your footage. And when you are back, they can just change the proxy with the original file, so you can send the original files via any other system or whatever you want. But this monitor allows you to access directly Frame.io and upload whatever you are shooting on your camera straight away. It's a crazy monitor of a very good quality. You can use it for simple monitoring purpose. You can use it for streaming, Frame.io, recording whatever you are shooting in maybe a sort of proxy format. The functionalities are very, very similar to the Ninja, and it's basically a Ninja that doesn't record but does much more on the other side, on the networking side. So Atomos Zedo Connect, this is the second gift. And guys, now we are going up and up and up. We are going like the double of the value of this gift will be the next one. That is the YOLO Box Mini. Yeah, let's open it up. I opened it in the last video, so it's just the box, the external box, so it doesn't matter. Boom, guys. YOLO Box Mini. Who doesn't know YOLO Box Mini or YOLO Box Pro? Basically, it's exactly the same of a YOLO Box Pro in terms of processing, power, software, very similar, but has only two camera inputs. So one USB and one is HDMI. So the only difference is this. For the other things, you have the same software, the same capabilities, the same PIP, the same possibility of inviting guests. Whatever you find on the YOLO Box Pro, you have on this small device here. Guys, this is a gift of about 800 bucks, something like this. I didn't check lately, but I think it's around that. So this is the last gift. All the gift will be awarded to one or to one per gift, of course, so to 3 of my followers. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for having me today in your life. Have a good one. See you.